elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming away. G is for grapes, purple and green. H is for hat, the coolest you've seen. I is for iron, strong and true. J is for jump, with quick little feet. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, roaring nearby. M is for moon, shining at night. N is for nest, with birds in flight. O is for owl, wise and bright. P is for penguin, black and white. Q is for cube, standing in line. R is for rainbow, colors all around. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tree, tall and light. U is for umpire, calling the plays. V is for violin, music inside. W is for whale, big in the sea. X is for xylophone, playing with glee. Y is for yo